hobbyists! All my ambitious hobbyists out there, welcome to Cut Dreams in Styrene, the best way to start your weekend.
Best way to start your Saturday.
Yes. I'm your host Gary G. That's my production team. Woo-hoo! And today we're gonna finish the Black Widow. But first, as always, the riddle. Which material was used to build the monocoque frame? A. Carbon fiber, B. Steel, or C. Aluminum? The answer is always at the end of the show. Well, today is the day. We're gonna finish our little project and make it ready to present. But all that down in the garage. Yeah, here down in the garage, there's just a few steps left over before we finished our project. And we started with the trim for our windows. Next step, we're gonna finish our side mirrors. Last step, our gas tank cap, and then we're pretty much done. Well, now all parts are mounted, and the only thing that's left over is take her out for some nice shots. Now enjoy the eye candy of the Black Widow. This week we have shop cups coming in again. Oh yeah, I really enjoy always getting some shop cups from my friends. I really see you more than just fellow hobbyists that do the same thing that I really see you as friends. And so two friends send me some shop cards. First that I want to mention is Chopper's Rusty Customs. Check out his channels. He's a fantastic guy. I think he's even like a president of his own local model club, if I get it right. Fantastic guy. Check out his channel. He does a lot of rusty stuff. So really check out his channel. Fantastic guy. The other guy is a great builder as well. And it's Hensley's Hobbies. So check out him. He's a fantastic builder as well. Like I said, I see you guys as friends and really appreciate shop cards coming every single time. Thank you. But now to the riddle. The R8 is a two-seater mid-motor, mid-engine sports car based on a monocoque frame. But which material was used for the monocoque frame? Answer the riddle. I really enjoyed this build a lot, and here is a little sneak peek for next week's build. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe or share. Have a great weekend and God bless y'all.
Cheers, ciao, see you later.
Sayonara! Konnichiwa!